Hello my friends and welcome to Daily English Academy. Today we are going to learn real English sentences that you can use in your everyday life. These are simple, natural and easy to remember. You can use them when you talk to friends, at work, or while traveling. Many English learners study grammar and vocabulary for a long time, but when it comes to speaking, they do not know what to say. The secret is not learning hundreds of rules. The secret is learning real sentences that native speakers use every single day. In this video, we will practice daily English sentences for real-life conversations. You will hear how to use them naturally, and you will also repeat them with me to make your pronunciation better. Don't worry if your accent is not perfect. What matters is that you speak with confidence and enjoy the process. Remember, language is not just words. It is connection. Every time you say a simple sentence like "How are you today?" or "Can I have a coffee please?" you are connecting with people around the world. So get comfortable, relax, and listen carefully. Try to repeat every sentence after me. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak more fluently, more confidently, and more naturally. Let's start our journey to real English conversations right now. When we wake up in the morning, we can use many simple English sentences to start our day. Let's learn and repeat some of them together. When you open your eyes, you can say, "Good morning. It's a new day. I didn't sleep well last night. I slept like a baby. It's time to get up. 5 more minutes, please." When you go to the bathroom, you can say, "I need to brush my teeth. I need a quick shower. Where is my towel? The water is too cold." When you are getting ready, use these sentences. "I have nothing to wear. I'm running late again. Where are my keys? I can't find my phone. I need a cup of coffee right now." At the breakfast table, you can say, "What's for breakfast? Can you pass the salt, please? This coffee smells amazing. I'm not really hungry this morning. Let's go, we're going to be late." These are simple, short, and natural sentences that people use every morning. You can start your day in English by saying just 1 or 2 of them. The more you repeat them, the more natural they will sound. Try this tomorrow morning. Talk to yourself in English while you get ready. You will see how fast your speaking confidence grows. When you go to work or school, you can hear and use many common sentences in English. These sentences help you sound natural and confident in everyday situations. Let's practice together. When you arrive, you can say, "Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Did you sleep well? What's the plan for today?" If you are at work, you can say, "I have a lot to do today. Can you help me with this? Let's take a short break. I'll finish this before lunch." That's a great idea. If you are at school, you can say, "I forgot my homework. Can I borrow your pen? When is the next class? This subject is really interesting. I think I understand it now." During the day, you can also use these general sentences. "I'm so tired today. Let's go for a coffee. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Can you explain that again? It's time to go home." You can practice these sentences every day when you go to school or work. The more you use them, the more natural your English will sound. Remember, learning English is not just about studying books. It's about speaking with people, asking questions, and using simple sentences in real life. When you go to a café or restaurant, using the right English sentences helps you sound natural and polite. Let's practice some of the most useful ones. When you enter a café, you can say, "Hi, is this seat taken? Can I sit here? Do you have a menu, please? Can I see the menu?" When you are ready to order, you can say, "I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Can I have a sandwich and an orange juice?" What do you recommend? That looks delicious. If you want to order politely, say, "Could I get a glass of water, please? Can I have the same as him? I'll have the chicken salad, please. That's all, thank you." When you finish your meal, you can say, "Can I have the bill, please? Everything was perfect. The food was amazing. Thank you, have a nice day." If you are at a cafe with friends, you can use these sentences. "What do you want to drink? Let's share a dessert. It smells so good here. This place is really nice." Learning these simple sentences will help you feel more confident when you travel or go out with friends. Try to use them the next time you visit a cafe. Speak slowly, smile, and enjoy the conversation. Talking with friends is one of the best ways to practice real English. You do not need to use difficult words. Simple and natural sentences are always the best. Let's look at some examples. When you meet your friends, you can say, "Hey, how's it going? Long time no see. What have you been up to? It's so good to see you again." When you start a casual chat, you can say, "How was your weekend? Did you watch that movie? I really needed a break. Let's do something fun today." When you agree with your friend, say, "You're right about that. I totally agree with you. That makes sense. Exactly, I think the same." If you don't understand something, you can say, "Sorry, what do you mean? Can you say that again? I didn't catch that. Oh, now I get it." When you want to end the conversation naturally, you can say, "I have to go now. Let's talk later. Take care, see you soon. Have a great day." These are the kinds of sentences that make your English sound real and friendly. When you talk to friends, try to relax and speak naturally. Remember, small daily conversations are the best practice for improving your English. You did a great job today. You learned many real English sentences that you can use in your everyday life. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about using the language every day, step by step. Try to repeat the sentences from this video when you wake up, when you go to work, or when you talk to your friends. The more you use them, the more natural your English will sound. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every time you speak, you are improving. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Academy. Leave a comment and tell me which sentences you like the most. I love reading your thoughts and ideas. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember that every word you say brings you closer to fluency. You are doing amazing, and I'm proud of your progress. See you in the next video, and until then, keep learning English every single day.